What is going on, fruit lovers? My name is Richard Wynn and you're watching Southern Spirit for Life. I am standing in front of my black Surinam cherry. This tree is also known as the Brazilian cherry by some folks. Down in South Florida, this tree is very invasive. People plant these trees as hedges. They don't consider these as fruit trees. There's a lot of people in Central Florida plant these as fruit trees. When the fruit developed, it developed into this little green fruit right here, this little cherry, solid green. And then the next stage you will see is turning light green with somewhat of a yellow color and a little hint of pink. And here is actually the next stage, is turning more like an orange color, and then it turns into this color, and then it's going to turn to more like a red purplish, and then at the end, once it's ripe, it's going to turn to an even deeper red, and then to the point it's gonna be black. The black is more sweeter than the red. We harvested this last night and it was absolutely delicious, and even the birds and the squirrels also enjoy this cherry. As you can see, the squirrels has been having a great time digging, making holes, planting the seeds. Here's a black Surinam up close, and I know it's not completely ripe, but if you wait for the cherry to be completely ripe, you won't have a chance to eat them here. This backyard is loaded with squirrels and birds, and they love these cherries. So if you want these cherries, you have to pick them slightly underripe. Here's up close what's actually inside this cherry. The skin is extremely thin, very juicy, and there's also a pit inside here. A lot of times you would discover between 1 to 3 seeds. It's very juicy. The flavor is sweet with a little acidity, and it has a hint of a pepper taste, almost very similar to a sweet bell pepper. And again, the skin is very thin, so it's not a very good commercial variety. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching Southern Spirit for Life.